Okay, let me go to mcmastercar's website. We are on mcmastercar's website. We are using mcmastercard to download some items that we need for our assembly. So let me find that document. Let me pull this over here. This is the assembly document. I'm going to rotate it so that we can see this just a little bit better. And I'm going to increase the size of this. These are our part numbers. And so this is the actual assembly. Let me see another view of it. This is the finished assembly. And here you can see an exploded view of the assembly. And this shows you where those parts go. So parts 1 through 5, we will create. And it shows you how many of these we actually need, but you only need one of each before you do the actual assembly. Some of these you're going to just import more than once, okay? But part 6, 7, and 8, we need to download from mcmastercard's website. And these are the part numbers for mcmastercard's website for items 6, 7, and 8. So let's go ahead and go to McMaster's website, mcmaster.com. And up here in our search bar, we just type in those item numbers. We make sure I have the correct item. So this is a flathead screw, and we want to make sure that we are using the correct format. So I usually use SolidWorks because I use SolidWorks more than I use Onshape, and I know that SolidWorks is compatible with a lot of the software that we're going to be using. Also, you can use a step file, but for purposes of our assignment, we want SolidWorks. Okay, and then just download that and then save it. And then you're going to look for the next item. Be careful with the part numbers. The I'm going to show you all why. Oh, let me pull this over again. So here, if you are not looking at this in great detail, which is not very detailed on mine, and it is actually my vision is not the best. So that can look like a B, but it's actually an 8. That can look like a D, but that's 0. Okay, so you just want to be careful with that. So this is the item. So we have a flat steel washer, and again, we're going to use SolidWorks, download, and then save file. And then let's look for our last item. This should be the pan head screw. Let's make sure, yes. Okay, so the pan head Phillips screw, the difference between this one is and the other one is that this one it has a pan head and the other one is flat. So make sure you have SolidWorks and then download. And okay, and then you can see all of my downloads here. Okay, and you can also go into your files and then make sure that you see those downloads. So let me go to mine and let me go to my quick access downloads and let's pull that over. And you can see those items are downloaded right there. Okay, so that is it. If there are any questions, please